Hi my NCG family, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're having a great holiday season. Today I'm going to be doing a review slash demo of the BetterLength headband wig. This is in the length 18 inches and it is in the natural color. Now the texture is 3C for a afro kinky curly hair, and as you can see, it comes with the package came with some headbands, about 4 headbands, different colors. The wig came, you know, typical wig. It has, well, this is a headband wig, so it has a secured headband. It has 3 combs at the front and 1 comb at the back. So this is a texture, very soft. I'm just gonna put it on my mannequin head, and you know, just to loosen the curls a bit, I'll be adding just some water and a little bit of mousse just to loosen the curls a bit and help with that definition. So I'm just applying some water gently. I notice there is very minimum shedding. I'm using my mousse to each section, and I'll be doing this throughout the entire wig. So I did this overnight and allow it to air dry, and once it air dried, I just went in and go ahead and style. Now the texture is very soft, and as you can see, just with a little bit of water and mousse, there is a lot of definition. I'm only using my fingers, and I had minimum shedding. There's no need for any comb. Look at that, curls are defined. So overall, love this. I'll be rocking this all winter. Already I am in love. The volume, there is a lot of volume. As you can see, it bounces, it moves. Look at that, I love it. Perfect length. This again is 18 inches. It's perfectly shaped. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do a few demos with some different hair bands and head wraps. Definitely a must have. It's a put on and go. You see me. Love it. So just keep on watching. Thank you so much. All the information for this wig will be in the description bar below. Once again, thank you so much for watching. Happy holidays. Cheers to a prosperous 2021. Thank you so much, BetterLength, for sending me this hair. Until next time, take care. Bye.
I promise you, baby, that I won't waste your time. I don't want to waste your time. I'll make sure you're safe, make sure you're satisfied, love. You are a jewel, you are one of a kind, and I ain't leaving until you are mine. I'll hold you close, never let go. I'll be your friend, do all I can. Whisper I love you, I'll hold your hand, I'll take care of you, I'll make you smile, look deep in your eyes, I'll ease your mind, kiss you just right. Whisper I love you, I'll make you mine. I'll take care of you, I'll hold you close, never let go. I'll be your friend, do all I can. Whisper I love you, I'll hold your hand, I'll take care of you. Yeah, yeah. Oh, girl, I wish you would make up your mind. I can tell by the look in your eyes. you're not happy with the man you're standing by. Yeah, I've been watching